Here we go. Get in. Get inside. Oh, pull, not push. Oh, there's leaders, and that's the building. Yeah, the building's on top of the leaders thing. That's why the lower floors are locked, and some of the upper floors are locked. Press the button. Hey, where's the chime? And see, look at, anyway, before we go, look at this awesome cat view. Mum, would you like
This is all different, is it, Dad?
Mum?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway. Press the
Which floor are we
button.
heading to, Dad?
Oh,
You're going up in the lift.
Seem to be.
floor 8. That's
What
size
floor would
public
you like to
floor.
go to?
Anyway, that's the indicator. Press 8. And
We
we're
always say,
going
could you
up.
please have a look, you used to work here 40
Oh,
something years
this
ago.
is. Oh, look at this awesome cab view, refurbished. Oh, that's the people. Let's check out the capacity. That says the yellow indicator. And lift returning to main floor.
Hang on, Daniel. We'll just
This is the capacity, 800 kilograms or 10 persons. And let's see what it looks like on the outside. Wow! Only small indicators. The indicators are so small.
No, come on.
Outside, let's see what happens when I press the button. Oh, that's what it says. Going down. Press ground. Watch the indicator go down. So the indicators are small. So the indicator is small on levels 8 to 1. Wow. Yeah, this is at the leaders building.
Right.
And down there, Schindler, but down there it says OTIS. It turns out these used to be some 60s. Otis is modernised by Otis.
How do you know it's 60s Otis?
Oh, it says, though that was the old symbol down there.
Where?
Down there.
Daniel knows it's the 60s Otis because it's got the old symbol.
Oh, right.
And it does. Anyway, as you can see, that's it.